What is this thing? Looks cheap. What is that indicator? Oh, it's Schindler. $2,600. Whoa, 5,100 grams, 75 persons. That's a big capacity. Dewhurst M20 or M10 buttons. Very dark and creepy in here. What's hydraulic? Yeah, it's hydraulic. No wonder the capacity is so high. So it's not 2,600, it's some custom thing. Why do they have Dewhurst buttons? So cool. Oh, it's because Orbit's ancient. That's why, because that's Orbit. It's all Orbit styles probably. How small the door is compared to the rest of it. Could we easily made that door bigger. Whatever. Bloody hot in here though.